Hey folks! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to invert the colors of an image. It is really a simple task. I am going to write this program in Python. In this program, simply we have to subtract the current pixel value from its maximum value. That is 255. First, we will read the image. Make a separate function to invert our image. After color inversion, we will just save it. And add a line to pause our program, so that it won't close when it executes everything. So in color inversion, we will get height, width, and number of channels. From this, we will initiate a new empty image. In this image, we will put the new pixel value, subtracted from the maximum, and we are done. Now, we will run our program and see the result. And here is the result. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.